AI is great at giving quick answers. But when it cites a fact, how often do you still open a new tab to double-check it? With Statista and Microsoft 365 Copilot, that changes. Human-verified Statista data flows directly into Copilot, so your AI agent answers with trusted insights, not plausible-sounding guesses. All powered by over 50,000 curated sources. That trust shows up for every team across your business. For sales teams, Copilot with Statista means every pitch deck includes a clear, accurate view of your prospect's market with verified figures that stand up to client scrutiny. For marketing, the integration pulls audience and market insights straight into your campaign briefs in Microsoft Word, powering data-backed targeting, sharper messaging, and content built on trusted facts. Strategy and research, we've got your back. Copilot with Statista turns last-minute board questions into quick, factual answers. The integration also accelerates deep dive research, so every decision brief has the right cited market numbers without hours of tab hopping. Setup is straightforward. Get in touch and our experts will help your team get up and running. From there, Statista moves with you into every workflow. Trusted data built in the 365 tools you use the most.